Hey guys, so today I'm going to go over the miles per gallon that I'm getting on this car. Now I've had it for a while and I drive pretty much the same all the time. Like I said, it's not really impressive. It's one thing I can say about the 2.0 compared to the 1.5 is it is drastically different if you drive a lot of city, which I do. So I'll show you here, and I haven't adjusted this at all. This has been since the day I bought it. So I'll show you what I'm getting here. Let me shut the door here. Okay. So the average fuel, this is the life of the car since I've owned it, is 20.5. Okay, that's not impressive, I don't think. Okay, you can see here, 30.8 was the last one I got. But then the time before that, you can see I got 11. Right now, 20.5, that corresponds to the average fuel. As you guys know, it takes a long time to change that if you never reset it, because it takes the whole life of the car to average. But I'm going to take a long trip here. It's about 300 miles. And I'll see what I get on it. I'm curious to see what kind of mileage this will get on the highway. I'm sure it's really good. I'm just curious. You know, I'm not going to drive it any differently. Going over to Monterey, if you guys been there, be able to see what it gets. And there's a lot of going around like by the ocean and stuff, a lot of corners and stuff. So I'll definitely get on it, put it in sport mode, and just see what it can do. So I'll update you when I get back. Hey guys, so I took a drive. This is my end result. This is in Carmel. Handled really well. The power going around the corners is really fun in sport mode. Like I said, around where I live, there's not a lot of twisty roads, so I really got to open it up. Handled really good. So let's check the mileage on it and see what it got. Okay, so I got 33.4 is the average coming up here. And I didn't stop once. So that's really impressive for this. I mean, I got in the 41, I remember, in my 1.5. So, I mean, it is substantially different, of course. The city is where you're really going to notice it. And the average went to 21.2. So, like I said, it takes a long time to change that if you don't reset it, because that's the whole life of the car. But overall, I'm happy with it. Like I said, if you guys are looking at the 2.0 for gas mileage, don't get it. Because if you do a lot of city driving, it's not great. Like our Pilot is getting pretty much the same in the city as my Accord does, if that puts it in comparison. Okay, so I just wanted to do that little video update to show you guys what I'm getting personally. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys get in your 2.0 and what you guys think of it. You guys impressed with it? Is it what you expected when you got it? You know, like I said, it's lower than I thought it would be, being still a small 4-cylinder engine. Hope everyone's doing good out there. I'll have another mod video coming up very shortly. Thanks for all the support, guys. Till next time, take care.